Today we are going to study practice set 21 of standard 7. Question number 1. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC and the measures of angle A and angle B are equal. If measure angle ACD is equal to 140 degree, find the measures of the angles A and B. तो हमको angle A and B find out करना है. But they given us angle A and B are equal. Okay. See, there is another angle here. This is a triangle ABC. There is a this one line is extended and forms a exterior angle. See, triangle के outside जो angle है यहाँ पर वो है exterior angle. तो there is a property of exterior angle. Okay, ये exterior angle is always equal to the sum of these interior angles of a triangle. Okay, there is a rule, there is a property. ये जो exterior angle होता है triangle को adjacent, this is the triangle ABC, उसको adjacent यहाँ पर outside exterior angle है. This is exterior outside of the triangle. ये is always equal to वो triangle के inside interior angles का addition होता है. Okay, let's write what they given us. Okay, let measure angle A equal to measure angle B. Both are equal, they given us. We don't know what the measures of these two angles. We take suppose X. We suppose X. Measure angle A is X and measure angle B is X. By the property of exterior interior angles. By the property of property of these called remote interior angles of a triangle. Okay, property of remote interior angle of a triangle. By the property of remote interior angles of a triangle. Therefore, measure angle, what is the property? Exterior angle is always equal to the the addition of remote interior angles. Angle ACD, measure angle ACD equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B. Only these two angles जो उसके opposite में है triangle के inside angles. Therefore, measure angle ACD is how much? 140 plus X, this plus X degree. Therefore, 140 equal to 2X. Therefore, 140 हमको चाहिए only X यहाँ पर. तो जो उसको multiply किया वहाँ जाकर divide होगा X. Therefore, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 40 and 0. This is 70 degree equal to X. ये हो गया, हम X की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट. बट वी सपोज हियर एंगल A is X and angle B is X. Therefore, measure angle A equal to X degree equal to 70 degree and measure angle B equal to X degree equal to 70 degree. Okay, next question is question number 2. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. अब यहाँ पर 1 measures हमको दिए हैं, तो हमको remaining जो angles है उसके measures find out करने हैं. See, let's first we write measure angle. Given angle कौन से है यहाँ पर? Measure angle BOC. Measure angle BOC equal to measure angle FOE. See here, measure angle BOC is equal to measure angle FOC because these are opposite angles. See, this angle and this angle are opposite angles. Okay, equal to how much? ये 4y है तो अपोजिट वाला भी 4y होगा. 4y degree. Write the reason. Because opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle C, angle AOB, see here, angle, major angle AOB plus major angle BOC plus major angle COD equal to major angle AOD. See, this is a straight line. Major angle AOD equal to 180 degree. Okay, for major angle AOB plus major angle BOC plus major angle COD. कहाँ तक लिखना है? ये स्ट्रेट लाइन AOD COD equal to major angle AOD, which is a straight line. But major angle AOD equal to 180 degree because measures of a straight line. Measures of a straight line always 180 डिग्री होता है. स्ट्रेट लाइन की डिग्री ऑलवेज 180 होती है. स्ट्रेट लाइन और स्ट्रेट एंगल. Therefore, write the measures of angle AOB. AOB how much? In a given, AOB is 8y. 8y plus next major angle BOC. BOC is BOC. We find here BOC is 4y plus major angle COD. COD is 6y equal to major angle AOD is here 180 degree. Add this, we get 8 plus 4 plus 6 is 18. Y equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we want y only. First यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किए तो वहाँ जाके डिवाइड होगा. तो आंसर क्या आएगा हमारा यहाँ पर? 18 1 जा 18, 18 10 जा 180. Y equal to 10 degree. Therefore, major angle AOD here. Major angle AOB equal to 8y here. 8y equal to 8 into y. How much? Put up the value of y. 8 into 10 is equal to 80 degree. First मिल गया हमको आंसर. This first answer. Now second 4y किसकी वैल्यू है यहाँ पर? एंगल BOC. Remaining angles. Major angle BOC equal to 4y. 4 into 10 equal to 40 degree. Next angle is major angle COD. Major angle COD equal to 6y equal to 6 into 10 equal to 60 degree. Okay, next question. Here in this question, AOB is equal to major angle AOB is equal to major angle DOE, and here major angle BOC is equal to major angle FOE. Now major angle COD is equal to major angle AOF. These are the opposite angles are equal. Okay, next question. Next question is question number 3. यहाँ पर हमको ट्रायंगल ABC ड्रॉ करना है और उसको एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल है विच इज़ एंगल ACD. तो फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ फिगर, रफ फिगर. ओके, और उसके मेजर्स भी हमको लिखना है। सी यहाँ पर हमने रफ फिगर ड्रॉ किया है विच इज़ द आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल ए बी सी हियर, ट्रायंगल ए बी सी which is isosceles triangle, and angle ACD is an exterior angle. This is angle AC and D. This is exterior angle. Okay. Now here two angles are equal, which is angle A and angle B, because this is a isosceles triangle. Okay. Now they given us the measures of angle ACB here. Angle ACB means this angle. Angle ACB is how much here? First angle ACB. Now here respectively means first का first होगा और second का second होगा, which is respectively. Angle ACB is 3x minus 17 degree. Okay, next is angle ACD. Angle ACD is how much? 8x plus 10. 8x plus 10 degree. Okay, they given us. Now here we have to find the angle angle A and angle B's measures. Okay, first we have to write therefore measure angle ACB and measure angle ACB. Measure angle ACB plus measure angle ACD equal to 180 degree. Why? Which is a straight angle. Okay, straight angle is always 180 degree. This is a straight angle. This is straight line and this angle is a straight angle, and which is always 180 degree. So measure angle ACB. ये straight line के ऊपर जो भी एंगल होते हैं वो एडिशन किए तो 180 डिग्री होता है. मेजर एंगल ACB, मेजर एंगल ACB प्लस मेजर एंगल ACD. ACD equal to how much? 180 degree. Write the reason. Angle forming a straight line. Angles forming a straight line or a straight pair. और हम लिखेंगे angles forming a linear pair. Okay, linear means straight line. Okay, linear pair. ACB plus ACD equal to 180 degree. Therefore write the measures. ACB का कितने हैं measures? How much? ACB is 3x minus 17 plus measure of ACD. ACD is 8x plus 10 equal to 180. Therefore write add variable 3 plus 8 11x. 3x plus 8x is equal to 11x. Now minus 17 plus 10 equal to minus 7 equal to 180. Therefore 11x equal to 180 minus यहाँ पर माइनस है तो यहाँ पर आके क्या होगा? प्लस. Therefore 187. So 11x equal to, but we want x only. x यहाँ पर 11 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो वहाँ जाकर क्या होगा? divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Then here 11 ones are 11. Remaining 7. 11 sevens are 77. Therefore x equal to 17 degree. Therefore measure angle. Put up the value of x in all measures here. Here measure angle ACB. Measure angle ACB equal to 3x minus 17 equal to 3 into x how much? 17 minus 17 equal to 17 into 3 minus 17. Alright, 34 degree. Therefore next measure angle ACD. Measure angle ACD equal to 8x plus 10. 8x plus 10. Now 8 into, put up the value of x, 17 minus 17. Minus 10. Now here is plus 10. plus 10. How much? 146 degree. Now next point is measure angle A plus measure angle B equal to one measure angle ACD. See, measure angle A plus measure angle B equal to measure angle ACD, which is the exterior angles property. See, exterior angle is always equal to the interior remote angles addition. Okay, by the property of exterior angle. Property of exterior angle. Of a triangle. Therefore, measure angle A plus measure angle B equal to 146 degree. But we have to find this measure angle A and measure angle B. We suppose this measure angle A equal to measure angle B equal to y degree, because they given us measure angle A and measure angle B are equal. Okay, that's why we suppose it y. Therefore, put the value of y in this equation. Y plus y, this one also y and this one also y, they given us equal to 146. Therefore y plus y, यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं रहता, मतलब 1 plus 1 2, y plus y 2y equal to 146. Therefore but we want y only, तो यहाँ पर multiplication sign है, तो यहाँ जाकर क्या होगा, divide. Therefore y as it is 146 upon this, यहाँ पर multiply है तो यहाँ पर आके divide होगा. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, then 2 3s are 6, 73 degree. Therefore y equal to 73 degree. Write the final answer. But put up the value of y. Y means how much? Measure angle A and measure angle B. Therefore measure angle A equal to measure angle B equal to 73 degree. Okay, and therefore final answer is measure angle ACB equal to 34 degree, comma measure angle ACD equal to 146 degree. Okay, this is our answer. And measure angle A equal to measure angle B equal to 73 degree. Okay, our practice set 21 also finished. Thank you.